Welcome to PK Woodworking. Wanted to give you a quick update, and as you can see behind you possibly, we are now into scratch coat and brown coat for stucco. They've applied the foam bump outs and we should be a week away from color, so we're getting closer. On the inside, I could bring you through this, but I want to make this as quick as possible, so I'll just tell you what happened. So inside, we've got all the insulation for the bathroom installed, so they're ready for drywall of the bathroom starting tomorrow. All of the things that we needed to get signed off on are signed off on, and we're ready to rush to the end as fast as we can. So concrete still is going to have to happen at some point in time, soon after the stucco is done, but hopefully a contractor can get that booked really quickly after the stucco is finished, so we can hopefully get this running in the next couple of weeks. Let me give you a side shot of it also. As you may or may not be able to tell, the roof is completely finished also. So the tile roof completely done. They did an amazing job. Actually, one gentleman did an amazing job. Can't say enough about the guy. He also was kind enough to take some time and fix some of the tiles on the roof of the main house, which was amazing too. The stucco, you can see the bump outs are kind of mimicking what our front of our house looks like already, which I really do appreciate. A lot of cleanup is going to have to happen. Neglected yard, all those kind of things that are going on at the same time. However, I've gotten fans for the shop now that have come in. I've gotten pretty much anything and everything you can think of that I need to get the shop accomplished, like I talked about in the previous episode around just logistics. More things have been coming in from a logistics perspective. So I'm feeling pretty confident that I've got a couple of things left to do to acquire. I need to get different flex hose for the dust collection. You know, a lot of people get the really soft and flexible hose, but inside it's got more ripples than the stiffer stuff that is more smooth inside. So I really want to get after some of that so I can have it installed, not have to move some of that stuff around. So why have it incredibly flexible? It just needs to be able to bend, etc. So I'm working on that this week also. And then I'm just waiting for them to finish some stuff. Hopefully the bathroom will get completely done this week. They did put the door on it. They did frame the door in, I should say. We're ready to go, just need some last touches. And so what's left really is stucco color coat, probably some painting because those bump outs are supposed to be painted white. The concrete obviously has to get done, which is pretty significant amount of concrete. The inside of the bathroom needs to get drywalled, finished, completed, the vanity installed, those kind of things. And then they have not still run the main power through the conduit from the house to the shop. So I'm assuming that's probably a last thing that will happen. But long story short is we're moving right along, and I'll keep you updated until I get certificate. And then once I get certificate for occupancy of the building, then we'll really start going into depth on the work that happens inside the shop. Again, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in to PK Woodworking.